Here's a good video of how to use the remote for your new heat pump. There are a whole bunch of buttons down here on the bottom which are explained in the owner's manual. For the most part, you won't use any of them, except for maybe this button down here on the bottom that says light. That actually turns the display on the front of the unit off. In the bedrooms, you might want to turn those off because that display is quite bright. The button directly above it is FC, and that button changes your remote from Fahrenheit to Celsius. If you change the batteries in the remote will automatically go back to Celsius. You'll want to press that to bring it back to Fahrenheit. On the top of the remote, you'll see 6 buttons. You're really only going to use the 3 colored buttons. Pink is power, orange is heat, and blue is AC. Just turn on your unit and select which one you'd like, heat or AC. Now, if you have multiple units, they all need to be in the same mode if they are on. They don't all have to be on, but you can't have one in heat and one in AC. So we'll select heat, and then the top and bottom edge of the circle changes your temperature, as you can see. The center of the circle changes the fan speed, how quickly the air blows out and how far it travels through the house. The fan speed is indicated by this ramp. As you can see, the ramp is full right now, and that means that we are on high-speed fan. If I press this button once, you'll see that the fan will start moving. And when that ramp is going up and down, it's showing you low, medium, and high, and it's telling you that your unit, your wall unit, will actually select its own fan speed, whether it needs low, medium, or high. In most bedrooms, this works fine, but in a large main space, you sometimes might want it on medium or high to move the air through the space. You can select again. It goes to low, back to medium, and on to high. The left side of the remote control will change the louver on the front of your unit. If you look right here in the very top corner of the remote, you'll see a little swing line that goes up and down. And when I press this, you'll see the line change. That is where the front flap on your unit would be pointing. You can change the airflow that way. As far as maintenance, the most important thing that you need to do for maintenance is to clean the filters. The filters are located right behind the front door, and all you do is lift the front door up. You can see that these filters need to be cleaned. To clean them, you just pop the filter straight up like that, and then slide it out. Then you would take this, rinse it with water, shake it dry, and slide it directly back in. It goes up under these little slots right here. Slide it all the way in, and then just tuck the front edges under those little lips right there. When you're done, the cover simply closes. Just push it down and then press it to lock. And that's it. You're good to go.